Charles Brown is a decorated athlete, 1965 alumni, and basketball coach from New Jersey City University, and is the first African-American head coach in New Jersey Athletic Conference history. His teams qualified for the postseason in every one of his 25 years as a head coach at NJCU, including 12 NCAA tournaments and 13 ECAC tournaments without ever having a losing season. Brown guided the Gothic Knights to the NCAA Division III Final Four in 1986 and in 1992, losing to the eventual national championship each time in the national semifinals. He also led NJCU to 5 NJAC championships in 1986, 90, 92, 95, and 2004, adding to NJCU's conference record of 11 overall titles. In addition to the NJAC success, Brown also led the Gothic Knights to 13 ECAC Division III Metro championships over his tenure, ranging from 1983 through 2007. He coached the North-South All-Star Game, featuring players in Division I through III in 1987, and led the NJAC in inaugural NJAC Cuniac Senior Challenge in 2001-02 in Jersey City, before he again coached that squad in its third year, 2003-04. Brown retired following the 2006-07 season as the winningest head coach in NJCU and NJAC history at 483 and 218, and as the second winningest men's college basketball coach in New Jersey history at Division I, II, and III levels. Ladies and gentlemen, it is our honor and privilege to induct Charles Brown into the inaugural class of the ECAC Hall of Fame.